Hey guys, this is Pete from Petes2cents.com. This is February 5th, 2010. We started the market out in the red and actually popped into the green a little bit after the opening bell, like around 10:30. I think it was like 10:20, 10:30. And it gave us a chance. Actually, now that I remember, the futures were up a little bit on particular stocks. Okay, not all stocks. Futures were down overall market. But it gave us an opportunity. I'll give you an example. As AK Steel, ticker symbol AKS, popped up in the futures in the morning in pre-market, and in addition to it pulled back and then it popped up again. So you had pretty much two chances to dump the stocks or profit on them if you did, and then obviously buy some more on the dip. The market did look like it was trading in a tight range, and then it's 12 o'clock now, so let's say like 30 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, it started pushing downward again. We're looking at the S&P 500 chart here on a 3-month, and you'll see we have the channel trend that was going upward nicely for whatever, last 6 months, almost a year, 9 months. And with that said, you're going to look at the 50, the 20-day, the 200, and the 5-day. And you'll see that we are breaking down. We have broken down through the 50 and the 20, the 21-day, and the 5-day has also broken down as well. The 200-day is the only thing that I'm really concerned about right now because, you know, most stocks have broken their 50-day, which is a major indicator. If you look at a lot of, let's say, the heavily traded stocks, most of them, a lot of them, at least the ones that I look at, have broken their 50. So I'm banking on, with no pun intended, on looking at two indicators. One, the 200-day, to see if we're going to stay in this short bear market, or if it breaks through the 200 and then we're in a deep recession, or going into recession, into a bear market. I think we're going to bounce off the 200 or before that. We have certain support areas. You'll see I drew two lines there on the 1050. That's what we're looking at. We're literally right now at 1054 on the S&P. We're a blink away from 1050, so either we're going to get support there, okay? If we expanded this chart out a little bit, you'll see where the support is coming from, but I've done that yesterday, the day before. But regardless of the fact, the next support area is right around 1020, 1025, which is the 200-day. So depending on what happens today and in the beginning to the middle of next week, we could either find some good, strong support, 1050, or we're going to drop it down to 200 to the 200-day, which is 1020, 1025. With that said, I would look at a couple of things like I just told you. The 200-day, monitor that with your stocks, and the 5-day moving average. The 5-day is I've always found it to be a good indicator of when the market is going to turn around or an individual stock is going to turn around. So I follow the 5 very strongly, and that usually gives me a good point on where the stock is starting to pivot, in addition to additional support in other areas. So start looking at the 200, start looking at the 5-day. I think that'll give you good guidance on where to go and what to do. Okay, guys, this is just a quick midday report. I'll get back to you guys in a couple of hours. This is Pete from Petes2cents.com. Thanks, guys.